My name is Ty Anderson. I'm back up here at the Delisio Brothers driving range where I've been teaching for this is my third year up here now. And I love coming back home because I'm originally from Swampscott. But during the winter months, I teach down at a place called Highland Oaks, which is on the Robert Trent Jones Golf Trail in Dothan, Alabama. And I run the Ty Anderson Golf Academy. Hopefully I can help you up here this summer. I work with a lot of ladies. I do a lot of clinics for ladies. And one thing I really want to point out to and emphasize to them when I'm working them is this. There's only two things that I'm looking for that are different when I'm working with a man or a woman. All right? With a lady, they've been trained all their lives to do what? Hold themselves in. So what I'm saying to you is what they're going to do is they're not going to stick this out at all, they're going to hold themselves in. Well, if they try to set up to hit a golf ball, they're just going to sit back like this and just kind of lift the club up in the air. So the first thing I've got to do is get this going in that direction. So the first thing I have them do is basically put the hands on the knees like this to feel that position over here. They need to have good posture. Every golfer has to need good posture. We've got to clear this area out so our hands can fit in very nicely to let that club swing back and forth. It's not going to happen if they're sitting back. So the first thing is the posture. The second thing is I look at the left arm. Most ladies, a lot of ladies are double jointed right in this area right here. Most men are not. What that means is they can hold the golf club, and I'll exaggerate this, they can either have that open like that or out this way here when they grip a golf club. I can't do that. I'm not double jointed. What I need to do is have them have that elbow turned out this way here when they're gripping the club so that when they swing the golf club, they're going to feel strength when they swing. They're not going to be swinging like this here. I have to turn the elbow to get that strength there. Now, those are the only two things that I'm looking for, the posture and that elbow. There used to be a thing called a strength factor. Well, go tell that to someone like Michelle Wie or Annika Sorenstam, who's hitting the ball as far as the guys are. Just go lift weights.